Hello, I'm Jim Sewell, and I'm in my kitchen to share with you a simple and nutritious recipe using vegetables that I've grown in my garden. If you're like me, you probably put some unwanted pounds on staying at home during the pandemic. And like most Americans, one of your New Year's resolutions is to lose weight. And that's great. Shedding pounds not only makes you feel better, it can also have a tremendously positive effect on your overall health.
Over the past 2 decades, obesity rates in the United States have continued to climb at alarming rates. Recent studies estimate that 1 in 3 Americans are obese, putting them at risk for diabetes, high blood pressure, chronic joint pain, and a host of other diseases.
I know losing weight is a challenge. I was over 300 pounds a few years ago and lost nearly 40 pounds over the course of 2 years. But during the pandemic, I put back on some weight that I'd lost, and now in the new year, I want to focus on a healthier me.
And I'm counting on my backyard garden to help. Most of you know that eating vegetables is great for better health. Easy to grow backyard favorites like leafy greens are packed with vitamins and minerals, but they can also be a powerful ally in losing weight.
It's easy to feel hungry when you start a diet, but greens like this vitamin-dense bok choy can help you avoid those hunger pains by filling up your stomach and providing a low-calorie food choice that is loaded with dietary fiber, which helps curb your hunger pains and also can help prevent some forms of cancer.
This entire plate of bok choy has only 80 calories versus a single piece of fried chicken, which is over 273 calories.
I know you're thinking fried chicken tastes great, and I love it too, but by having more vegetables on your plate and less fried chicken, you can cut your calories intake and lose weight. I also know that eating food that tastes good is important. So here's a quick recipe for a tasty bok choy side eye.
The ingredients you'll need are a nice bunch of bok choy, about a cup of green onions, a tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and about a tablespoon of garlic, as well as a large pan with a lid on it for cooking. On high heat, I put the olive oil into the pan and then drop my green onions in to allow them to fry up a little bit so they're nice and soft. I give them a couple stirs, and then I drop in my bok choy. It's good to cook your vegetables on low heat and use a pan with a lid on it. You see, most of the vitamin nutrition found in vegetables is water soluble, and during the cooking process, you can lose up to 50% of that nutritional value due to evaporation. But if you keep a lid on your dish while it's cooking, you're going to be able to trap those vitamins and keep about 90% of that nutritional value. I let the bok choy simmer in the pan for about 4 minutes. Then I give it a light stir and pour it into a serving plate. I drizzle about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and then I sprinkle the 2 tablespoons of fried garlic and serve hot. In just a few minutes, you can add a tasty low-calorie side item to your dinner that will help you to remain full longer and improve your health with lots of needed vitamins and minerals.
I love gardening and I love to eat, and I hope to stick to my New Year's resolution to be healthier. I hope you'll try my recipe and let me know what you think. And if you have your own healthy, fresh vegetable recipes, please share them with us as well, because together we grow and hopefully lose. We're Digital Nest. I'm Jim Sewell. We live in interesting times.
for watching. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below.
Make sure you subscribe to EBC Digital Nest and follow all our other social media platforms to see more content like this.